Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theseedslife.com, and today's video I'm going to share with you 7 ways a personal trainer can generate income without ever stepping foot inside of a gym. Now, before we get started, because I want to keep this video as short as I possibly can, okay, because there's a lot of information and I want to keep it nice, concise, so that you could take immediate action on at least one of these 7 listed. Maybe 2 honorable mentions at the end. Before we get started, let's do a quick little housekeeping. What I want you to do is like this video, comment down below, let me know where you're from, let me know if you are a personal trainer or you're looking to get inside the profession, and then also share this video on all your social media platforms, okay? Now, this is basically going down to the old days, like each one, teach one. And I would like to preface this video before we get started as well, that I am not a financial advisor and I'm not one of these online marketing gurus. I am a personal trainer first and an independent business owner. And this list is basically the things that I've done in order to generate streams of income outside of the gym. Okay, so if you find this video like helpful, let me know down in the comments. If you find value in this, subscribe to this channel, because I'll hook you up with some more information that I've gathered along this awesome journey. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. I wasted enough of your time. Now, this isn't in any particular order. This is basically in the order in which I discovered this and applied it, okay? So also, I like to preface this because I know there's a lot of eager minds out there just wanting that get rich quick. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes a lot of work, okay? So just prepare yourself. It's an awesome journey, but it's a lot of work to get up and running. All right, so before you take any advice from me, do your own research and come up with your own conclusions, okay? This is more so of a guide to get you on that right path if you're struggling along this journey. Anyway, let's get started. Number 1 is going to be a newsletter. Now, a newsletter is a great way to generate leads, stay engaged with your leads, and also potentially sell them a product or service. You know, people are out there saying email is dead. It is not, because if you look in your phone, you're still receiving emails from countless of marketers trying to get you to buy their product, and also your favorite brands contacting you. You need email to get on every social media platform, right? So, you know, email is not dead. And it's also a hidden search engine, because if your potential client or lead does not accept your offer, you still build that relationship over time and nurture that relationship over time. And you give them a value offer and they're in that mind state to do business with you, boom, you have a sale, right? So newsletter is going to be your number 1 thing. So sign up for MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, it doesn't matter, just choose one. You know, of course you're going to have marketers trying to get you to choose one over the next. Just choose one and get started. I believe MailChimp is still free for your first 500. Do not quote me on that, but if you're looking for a free service, check them out and just get started. Now, you're not just going to get a newsletter and just like park it. You're going to need to offer value to those people on your newsletter, right? So constantly update it with information, at least the minimum to appear in their inbox for at least 3 times a week, all right? You want to be inside their inbox, whether it gets opened or not. It is very valuable to be inside your potential leads inbox, okay? Next up is going to be blogging. Number 2 is going to be blogging. So blogging is a great way to create revenue for your own website. So if you don't have one, get yourself a .com and you can blog, write articles for potential leads or articles for potential new customers. And also you can actually get paid by bigger, more reputable online presence like your health magazines and your fitness.coms, you know, so you can write articles and get paid because they're in the business of trying to get money too. So what they're going to do is reach out to content creators, reputable content creators, to provide them content so that they can put on their website. And of course, they can tag you and send traffic your way as well. So blogging is one of the best ways to get paid without ever stepping foot inside of a gym. Next up is going to be your ebook or a course. Now, do you have a system or a method in which you get your clients' results really fast? So if so, I would journal that in like a Google Doc and see if it's consistently getting them results, and then go into a online editor like a Canva, wrap it up in a beautiful PDF, a presentable PDF, and open up a Shopify or WooCommerce store, and bam, there you go, sell it for $25. I believe Gumroad is another platform that you can sell ebooks through or courses through, so check those out as well. I'm going to have some of the recommendations on my website and down in the description, so just go down there and check it out. Next up is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't have an ebook, a course to sell, or a product or service, you can become an affiliate partner with another trainer or another health professional that already have that type of service going for them, right? So if you go on different affiliate marketing service sites, you can potentially see who has affiliate marketing programs for their ebook or for their course. Or have you even taken an ebook or course from a fitness professional? See if it worked for you, right? It will work for others. So become an affiliate partner and become that testimonial that it worked for you and how it worked for you, and educate people on how it worked for you. And that way you can then become an affiliate partner for that ebook, that course, or that service, whatever it is. Become an affiliate partner. I'll go into depth into each one of these steps on how to set them up. If that's something that you're interested in, let me know, and I'll make a video covering how to set up a newsletter, how to set up your blog, how to become an affiliate partner or affiliate marketer, and etc. Okay. All right. Number 5, because I'm trying to keep this video as quickly as possible. All right. Number 5 is going to be online coaching. Now, are you a great program designer? Right. There are people out there that are actively looking for programs to help them with their fitness goals. Is there a specific way that you program that gets clients results? If you're an online programmer for fitness, or a online nutritionist, you can set up a portal in which people can call into, albeit Zoom or Google Video, Google Meets, right? And coach them online. You can actually see them working out, or you can just get on the online one-on-one call, or send them a PDF of the exercises that you designed, etc. Okay. Number 6 is a webinar or a seminar. So it's the same thing. Instead of coaching one-on-one, you can host a class where, are you an expert in a specific way to train, or do you have a specific technique that needs to get more attention to other coaches or the general population? I would highly recommend that you teach a class, charge about $20 a ticket, and that way they can constantly have access to that webinar, and you can constantly run ads to it and get more traffic, etc. All right. Number 7. All right. The final one is lead generation. Now, I got a story about this, because back when I was in Boston, there was a trainer who left the city, left the state, and moved across the country, but yet she was still able to generate leads and sell leads to trainers in Boston. And I would pay her $100 for each lead that closed, right? So if you have a blog, all these things tie in together, all of them tie into one big bow. And if you get them all synced as one, you'll have multiple streams of income, and like, sky's the limit with that, right? So she's still generating leads till this day in Boston, sending leads to trainers out there because her blog was so SEO, so well optimized, for a Boston personal trainer, that clients are still contacting her for her services. Right. So what she does is like, hey, I don't have any more room, but I do have some colleagues that I work with, and I'll send you their information. You can get started with them. And what she would do is send me their information. I'll contact them, go through the whole process, and then eventually sell them, and I'll send her $100 for closing that deal. And she only charges for the ones that you close, not just per lead, And that's a great way to generate income, because trainers are just starving for leads. There are new trainers born every single day, and what they need more is leads, right? So if you have more leads than you can handle, start finding a process where you can trade that for some sort of income or whatnot. All right, so two more bonuses. Okay, these are more advanced, right? So I recommended that, of course, you do your research and figure out if this works for you. All right, so the 8th way is going to be creating a physical product. Okay, now you can create a clothing brand. You can create exercise equipment. You can also have a white label supplement company, right? But these are more advanced. I haven't done this step yet, but I know people who have seen success in it. So I'm going to mention it if that's something that's the route that you want to take. You could do some knee sleeves, some wrist wraps, a belt, some supplements, some protein shakes, just slap your logo on it. There's a host of ways that you can create a physical product. Again, I haven't done it yet. Do your own research. Okay. And the 9th way, the second bonus, is going to be mentorship. Now, I only recommend this for personal trainers who have at least 5 years experience in the field. Okay. There's constantly, again, there are trainers out there who are who wet behind the ears, get way in over their head. They're newbies. There's a new trainer born every single day, and they need some guidance, right? And you being 5 years in the process and learning all the ups and downs can be a valuable asset for said trainer. So coming up with a mentor service, and I'm not saying that you go out looking for mentees, have them approach you, and then over time cultivate that relationship where it's okay for currency to be exchanged for the value that you offer for them. Okay. Now, again, I want to list them again. All right. In the way that I presented it is going to be: number 1, newsletter; number 2, blogging; number 3, ebook or course; number 4, affiliate marketing; number 5, online coaching; number 6, webinar or seminar; number 7, lead generation. And of course, the 2 honorable mentions is going to be creating a physical product or also a mentorship sort of program. All right. If you find this helpful, or if you are still confused, just let me know if you want me to go in depth into each and every one of these steps. I can make a video for each of the 9 that I mentioned, because I have been in this game. I'm in my 7th year, grinding. And I'm still in the field, each and every day. I moved across the country and I'm still in these trenches, all right? Every time I come across a new personal trainer or a trainer that's been in it for a while, their minds are so focused on just how can I get clients in front of me that they forget about the other ways that they can generate revenue, okay? So if this is something that's helpful, that you see value in, share it with them. Like this video, save this video, and let me know if you want to see or hear about each and every one of these steps. Anyway, thank you for your time, and I'll holler back in the next one. Peace.